Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we are going to see is about the Noise Colorfit NAV smartwatch. Cool, yeah. This is the Colorfit watch from Noise. Noise is claiming that it is India's #1 wearable watch band in 2020 thing, and the model is Colorfit NAV and the brand is Noise. So as you see, there are two colors from Noise Colorfit. So one is stealth black, which is this one, and another one is camo green, which will be a green in color. And so this is the touchscreen, full touchscreen watch, and with two buttons. So it's a GPS smartwatch. So you see on the side of the box, you can see fitness every day. So they are focusing that it's a for fitness people, and on the side it's a nice brand logo of Noise. And on the back side you can see like the maximum price of it is 5,000 rupees, but I bought in an offer in amazon.in for 3,500. I guess still the offer is going through. If you want to buy the product, you can check in my description. And also, like, if in case there is no offer, they might have sell it for 4,000 or 4,500. For that price also, it's very good. Actually, you can buy it without any hesitation. So let's go for the specifications of the watches. So you can see here it's GPS based activity tracking. So it has an inbuilt GPS, so you can if you're going for trekking or cycling or walking, you can see the GPS path through your watch. And it has a cloud-based watch faces. So it has an inbuilt cloud-based watch faces. Also, you can even customize your own watch face in your smartphone using a smartphone. So for your smartphone app, you can like scan over here, and it is both available in App Store as well as Google Play. And you can see it's a 1.4-inch color touchscreen, which is 340 into 340 pixel of output, and it's a Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. So they are also saying that it has a 6-axis accelerometer. Also, they are saying it's a 4 days battery life. They are all claiming that it has a good battery life, and it has a IP68 waterproof rating. Also, it has an Android 5.0 plus, and it can connect with Android 5.0 and iOS 9. Let's unbox the watch. So as you see, this is like a front of the thing. It has the watch and the strap and a charger cable, which I missed somewhere while opening. And after like this, taking it out, we have a warranty card, which is like you can register your product through the scanning the QR code from your mobile phone, and you can register your thing. And this is the manual of the watch. So these are the things that's in box, which is a charging cable, a watch, and a strap. So you can easily attach and deattach their strap. It's easy peasy, you know. And let's see the watch. So as you see, it has a silicone strap, which is a nice one, and it has a removable pin, easily removable. You can just like detach the thing from the watch very easily by just sliding the pin. It got to both the side, and in here you can see the Noise symbol. It's engraved perfectly in the strap of the watch. Coming to the watch, so this is the watch, and it is a 1.4-inch full touchscreen display, which has a 350 into 350 pixel of clarity, and it got two buttons. One is for going back, and another one is like switching on, turning back, or like go to the home menu. And in the back of the watch you can see a heart rating sensor, and it also has a proximity sensor inbuilt with it. And this is a charging port, so it's a magnetic charge. You can just like keep the charger with it, so it can like attach through it very easily. And so this is a quite a good in size. Look, this is the total display of it. Yeah, so let's turn it on. So long pressing the thing, yeah, I felt a vibration, and that's how it starts. So this is the main phase of the watch. So like now while swiping from right to left, you can see activity, alarms, breathe, heart rate, music, reminders, settings, sleep mode, stopwatches, timer, weather, and workouts. There are 10 inbuilt workout mode, which is walking, running, outdoor cycling, indoor walking, indoor running, yoga, strength training, badminton, dance. So it got a 10 inbuilt sport modes. If you are choosing the walking, you can think. So as you see here, the GPS is locating your position, so it will locate your position and you can start from ready. So it's saying that like, so like it will show everything from a heart rate, pace, time, how much time we are walking, and how much kilometer we are even walking. So still it's the GPS is finding the location. So let's go back, and you can end the distance, no data will be shown. So while ending the thing, you can it will show the total maximum calories you burned, everything in the thing. And heart rate sensor is a quite good one. And weather, you can even connect with the weather. Music, you can connect your music from the watch to your phone, so it's through Bluetooth. And so the heart rate also is quite good according to my knowledge. So my point of view about this watch is, at this price range, you can definitely go for it. The watch is worth for every penny you have spent for this watch. And so it has a good heart rate sensor, as well as the GPS is quite really impressive. While I took for an outdoor walk, it showed my exact path. And you can surely go for it. That's my point. And until then, peace out.